Hello, I'm Vijay, and today is probably the happiest day for me as I've returned to my hometown Himachal, that too after decades. I had to leave this place during my childhood itself, for my higher studies, for pursuing something which would sound great in rural. But I never thought a day would come where I had to come to my hometown as a tourist, like a visitor, as if I had no absolute connection. But now that I have come to the most refreshing place, I would love to watch each and every beautiful scenery with my naked eyes. I want to spend my time with myself alone. That is why the first thing I've done after coming here is that I've switched off my mobile. While leaving mobile for a minute is a challenge for urban people, I too had no choice till now. But sometimes we feel that we are lost and we feel it is hard to get ourselves back. So I have left no choice for myself but to slow down my fast paced urban life, at least for a while. It's a great deal if one who is living an urban lifestyle sits for an hour with peace of mind or to take a stress free nap. And living within such boundaries, I wouldn't lose a chance to get refreshed, to filter our minds, to get rid of tensions, and to keep our responsibilities on hold, at least for a while. For us, watching a movie on weekends, turning pages of popular magazines, or having a dinner at star hotels seems as refreshments. No wonder we live in an artificial environment, a man made pleasure. Not that it's bad, but it actually is when we try to make ourselves believe that it's the nature. While the nature is dying to retain its nature, we try to lay a bridge between ourselves and self satisfaction. If we get a couple of days off, we would plan for an international trip or to any other popular city. But we often forget that discovering ourselves is much more fun than discovering beautiful locations. And self discovery is only possible when we get enough time to spend with ourselves in such a place which would make you feel is ultimately beautiful, which would make us feel complete. Can we enjoy beautiful sceneries without taking selfies? Can we go somewhere without updating it on social networking sites? Can we switch off our mobiles for a while? And can we at least try to know who we actually are? I think it's time for us to answer ourselves. If we are with any person, we think about them. Similarly, we could think about ourselves when we are alone. So, we can make ourselves alone and we can see ourselves in others. Like rowing a boat balances it to cross over, we always take stress to balance our lives instead of enjoying the journey. We think the success lies in the result, but it actually lies in the process. And for that, we need to take off for ourselves from this mechanical monopoly and surrender ourselves to the nature. This might not be forever, but we could at least try it, at least for a while. And now, the day has come, which drags me to the same mechanical, fast mode, polluted and populated life. To take back all the stuff I've kept aside for a while. I don't want to, but I have to. I know I would be having plenty of unanswered phone calls, which reminds me of my lifestyle I have to live in. However, it's not the end. And though I didn't switch on my mobile back, I'm looking forward to switch off my mobile